Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can make $1,000 online daily. So I know it sounds funny, but it is possible. I'm going to show you the platform you can use. It is in form of affiliate marketing. This way you promote the products and you get the commission. But before we start, please like this video and subscribe. Let's get started. So now you have to go to this website called digistore24.com. When you go to this website, we be here, you can see that more sales, less work. Digistore24 is an affiliate program where you can promote other people's products and get the commission. So, you can see Digistore24 is an online sales platform that offers you an integrated online store and affiliate network, all common payment methods and accounting automations. So, all you have to do is promote the products, then you get money. So, all you have to do is clicking on register now, so that you can create your account to start earning money online. So, you can see you have to insert details, then you start immediately, don't need to wait for some time for an approval. So they will give you this form to complete. Here we tick on affiliate, then you enter username that you be using, then your email, repeat your email, then you create yourself a password. Then you have to select your time zone. Then there is also personal info you select, if you are Mr. or Mrs. Your extra title, if you have any. Your names. Those details which have this star, they are crucial, they are very important. They must be filled. So, you can skip this one company, then you write your address, your number, your zip code, your city, your state, your country, your phone number. Also here you can leave it like this, and you have to tick this box, you have to check it to agree with the terms and conditions. Then finally you click on register for free now. So when you have registered, you will be redirected here. So now what you need to do, you can see that down here you will be seeing your revenue, the money that you got. You can see each day, each week, and month. So you see you will be seeing your earnings here. So now let's go to find the product that we can promote. So you go to Marketplace. So you can go on all offers on the affiliate marketplace. So when you click on here, so this is where you will be selecting the products that you want to sell and you'll be getting the commission. For example, this product, you can see you will be getting $158 per sale. If anyone buys it, you can scroll down to see the price. The average price, their commission, you will be getting at 5%, then this is the earnings per sale. If you save this product, we'll be getting $158 each time. So, you can see that there this product also, which is the keto meal plan. They make you a plan for your diet. You can see you will be getting $10 each time someone buys the product. There are multiple products you can choose from. You can also select any category that you want right here. Now, let's choose any product. You will be selecting a niche according to the audience that you have. For example, to get the link of the product you need to promote, you just click on promote, then you will see they will give you this special link for you. You will be promoting this link, you just have to copy it. Now you can do it on many products that you want to see. For example, let me copy this one. We are going to be setting this product. So now you can see that when someone buys this product for $496, I will be getting $200 profit. When you get this link, you go to the next step, which is to find where to promote your link. So to promote your link, you can use your social medias, for example TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, and Facebook. For example, on TikTok, you can go ahead and start creating some content about the product that you choose. That people would be engaging with that. Then you have to put your link in the bio, and you also have to remind people to check the bio. And also you can use other websites like Quora. Said this is a website which have much traffic. This is a place to gain and share knowledge. You can go there and post something like I have found a product which can help you to reduce weight. For example, we have chose that product. And you give them the link. So whoever buys that product, you will be getting your cat. You can also use Pinterest. Pinterest, it is a platform where you post some posts. Then you can go and make a customized picture. You can go to canva.com to design a picture that you want to post. So this Canva will help you to design. Design something like, hey guys, check out this product. And then people will be checking out the product using the link you have provided. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it. You will be monitoring your payments here to see the people who purchased the products will be getting paid directly. That's it for today. So let me know in the comment section if you want me to go in deep to how we can promote this link. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.